Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Google Analytics code into your WordPress theme's header file. It's very simple. This is doing it manually. You can do it other ways, but this is the manual way. And what you need to do, I'm using Rise Themes by Thrive Themes membership, and I'm assuming that you'll have already got your analytics code. What you'll then need to do is come to the appearance, and you'll need to then come to the editor in appearance. Let's just move this over here so you can see that there. So we're in editor. In appearance, you need to click on the editor. The editor will then open up a page here, and if we just bring this screen across very slightly like that, you can see here that you've got all of the various pages that you have on your website, as you can see on the right hand side here. Now what you need to do is scroll down, and you need to select the header.php. That's where it needs to go. Now what you'll see on the left hand side here is a load of code. Don't be put off by that too much, because it needs to go between the head section and the head 1 section. So it needs to go anywhere to make it easier for you. The code needs to go anywhere after where it says here, head. Okay, so all you need to do is you literally need to put the cursor there, tap that down like that, and then you paste the code into the area that it says here, and that will then mean that your website analytics code will be put into your website. And that's literally all you do. You need to click, once you've done that, you need obviously to click update file. That does it, and then your Google Analytics code will be added onto the header section of your WordPress website. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to get more videos from me that are updated, simply hit the subscribe button and then click the bell icon next to that so that you can get every video upload that I do on WordPress. Alright, my name's Dave Hayes, and thanks very much for watching.